So I got a call from this homeowner saying that they had a leak next to the sidewalk. And there's another one. And so they shut the system off. I'm gonna check it out and we'll find out what happened. I wonder where the leak is. Well, they're usually not that easy to find. And there's another one. That's pretty easy to find too. Lots of roots. Well, it filled that hole up quick, but it obviously wasn't where I thought it was going to be. I thought it was popping up over here, but all that pressure was coming from over here, shooting this way and popping up there. So just goes to show you never know what you're going to get. But let's dig it up. The break is right here. Pretty shallow. And there's that split right there. But it split, shot all the way across over here, hit this wall of roots, and popped up over here. Okay, so I've got one side cut right here. Got my slip coupling measured out, so from that end to right here, where I have my pipe cutters in there. Take this out. There you go. There's that. You can probably see it if you look inside there too. Just a little bit right there. So that was the culprit. So now we put our clamps on. Before we forget, because that happens, I hate that. And then again, make sure that you're inserting the right side. So it has the directions on there. And the side that we want, just so you can see it, is right there. You see the little arrow? This side goes in first. So with these, it's easier to pinch them on before you extend it. Little did I know, I was using these Knipex pinch clamps, these pinch pliers. I've used these for years, and I never knew they were Knipex. I just started using them. They're awesome. I love them. But anyway, I just bought a pair of channel locks from Knipex, so I'm looking forward to using those. I'll have a video to review all the channel locks that I could think of here coming up soon. Anyway, here's how that slip coupler works. Simply twist it into place so it's nice and tight, and then you got your clamps all ready right there. This one. See the spiral there, how that works. So I'll go turn this on. Okay, so we've got zone 3 on, which is where the leak is, or was. This is all fixed up now. We're ready to go. So I got this side cut, and here's the split right here. You can see. Again, I'm going to use this slip fix here, get it repaired. Okay, so I got a section of pipe that's split out. I got this cut to the right distance. So I'll put my clamps on here. I always like to do 2 on each side. Just like that. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but this is loud. So make sure you put it in the right side here. Put this side in first. just like that. Then I'll clamp this side too. It's clamped. Start twisting this for it to insert to the pipe right here. There we go. And with both sides clamped, we are ready to go. So I'm going to turn on that zone that I just repaired, and I'm going to be turning it on with the 4-bit clock. I'll show you how to do that. So make sure it's set to auto. There we go. So then we push enter manual and then advance through the programs until you get to the zone that you want, which we want 4, and then you push plus, give yourself some minutes. And I just need 1 minute to test it. And now it's going to turn on. There you go. And that leak is all fixed up. So now to turn it off, just simply turn it back to the off position. And if you want to know how to operate this clock and use all these functions, I've got another video right here that shows you how to operate this 4-bit clock. Now I've got it all filled back in, and this is where the hole was right here. And try and patch it back in to where you can't see it. So that one's all wrapped up. Instead of fixing just the one leak next to the sidewalk, there's actually 2 that I fixed. So I'm really glad I went by there and took a look through every zone as opposed to just looking to see where the one leak was. So the moral of the story is you never know what to expect when you're going on a service call. So always look at everything, because there might be more than one repair you have to do.